we are here, and this time actually the client is Aparna. Look at this, she's like ready to just dump things out, you know? Yay!
Yeah, I've always done it. I've seen others do it, now it's my turn.
Yes. Yay, so excited. So here we have wall art for Aparna. One, two, three.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
I'm so glad you went with the acrylic.
Yeah, me too. Look at that. Oh, this is so special. Ready? One, two, three.
Ready?
Oh, it's not bad. This is a part of a collection capturing this phase of his childhood, and he's very much into Legos, and this he had painstakingly built, so I wanted to capture this.
Oh, my favorite. So this particular piece, I want to talk about this because when Aparna asked me that Ryan's going through a phase where everything is about Lego these days, I said, okay, we'll take some pictures with Lego. And then she said it's also about chess. And so literally he set up the board and he was playing, and this is the look. Like, it wasn't like he posed for me or anything. This is the look he was giving when he was thinking about playing with chess. Oh, such strength. And they pass through these phases so quickly. But this will always be a memory for Aparna. So
It's amazing how real this is.
yeah.
And now I have a bit of his childhood with me always. Hi everyone! I just wanted to show you this beautiful wall art that just arrived yesterday. I really wanted to capture this phase of my son's childhood. You know, he is very much into chess and he is into Legos. So we wanted to capture that as a part of this phase of his childhood, and I am so thrilled with the way these have turned out, and they make for such a stunning wall art.